welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. I am currently on my way to Andy's house. If you guys do not remember who Andy is, he's the one that has a 370Z, and he's also the one that has he had that one GST that we did like a long time ago, and then we were gonna put transfer everything from his GST to a GSX shell that he bought. I don't know if you guys remember that or not, but you guys probably will once I pull up and I show you guys. So you know, Andy's been undecided on what he wants to do. He went from like, you know, just putting everything to the GSX and then leaving his setup that he has now, and then now, like, you know, when like you start something and then like once it sits for a long period of time, you end up like wanting to do more other things. So that's kind of where he's at right now. He ended up so he's pretty much gonna go all out. We're gonna take off his head, we're gonna get it built, and then he's gonna get a top mount manifold made by Curly. So he's gonna get a top mount. He got a different turbo. Like it's gonna be a completely different setup now. So I'm going to go take off his head at his house right now, so I can we can take that to the machine shop and get that started. And then once we get that back, then we can go ahead and start everything else. So yeah, guys, that's where I'm at right now. That's where I'm heading, and we have a little bit of a drive, but I won't be there. Evo, just being the Evo, running great. This weekend we had a cool couple of little runs. We went to Mexico, and I'll show you guys those before we pull up to Andy's. Thanks. Wanna go get? Alrighty guys, so we arrived. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but this is the GSX. It's dusty as hell. Andy doesn't want to get it together, but it's looking hella clean though. This is the one we did the tome on. I don't know if you guys remember. Looking good. But yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna pull off the head so we can get it. Where's all your parts at? We're gonna pull off the head and stuff, and then yeah, this is gonna be way different. It was originally just gonna be like, all right, let's throw my old motor, his old motor, which was in this cart. So let's throw my old motor in here, and so I can be all-wheel drive. But now he just changed his mind. He wants complete different stuff. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this head so we can start on that. But damn, DSMs everywhere. So these are just some of the parts that he's already getting together. He has a lot more. So he's gonna go with an external wastegate now. He got what size turbo did you get? I forget. 58. A what? 58. I guess 58 he says. Precision. These are his the valve springs, and then the retainers are in there, and then these are also the cams he got. But those are just some of the parts. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start pulling off this head. Alrighty guys, so far I just took off all the pulleys right here so I can let loose of the timing belt, and then start taking off all the nuts off the turbo manifold. And then it's not a lot, just really simple since a lot of stuff is not on it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the ARPs, and then the head should be ready to come out. Very simple, it's not hard at all, since like I said, none of the stuff was on it already. But yeah, let me continue and then I'll catch you guys when the head is actually getting ready to come up. So we gotta lift like evenly because it has a bolt. So we gotta go like, you go up, then you go, then you go.
Throw this away or?
Alrighty guys, the head is off. So like I said, it was pretty simple to come out, and there it is. So now we're just gonna go ahead to the machine shop and drop her off with my guy. Alright guys, so we're gonna go take that head into the Batmobile. Alrighty guys, that is gonna be a wrap. So we dropped off the head at the machine shop just to make sure everything's good. And yeah, we'll just wait for that, and then you guys are gonna see, you know, the big turnout of this car. It's really doing a lot more things to the car. It's you know, itself, and also he had an FP green on that curtain setup that he had before, and he actually he passed it on to me, so that's gonna go on the 1G, and that's gonna be fun as well, you know. So really excited for this, and excited for the 1G, and excited to how Andy's car is gonna turn out. So you know, he really wants to push some power. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed just that short little video of, you know, just me doing that or whatever. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully, if you guys are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys don't follow me on IG, please go follow me at 4263addict. And like always guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.